flood control issue. Nakikita po ang visit ninyo sa Naga City in the lens of politics. Can you open to forging alliance with Naga City?
Alam mo, hindi namin pinag-uusapan yun. Alam mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na serbisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Lenny.
Sabi po kasi na
No, we have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito especially with the storms that came in. Then I already instructed Sec Vince and Sec Ping to look at the situation here. Because, you know, we know that Bicol is always the pathway of the storms, but the immediate problem that we saw, the change in pattern that we saw, is yung bigat ng bagsak ng ulan. Dati hindi naman ganun karami. You got 700 in one day, 700 centimeters of rain in one day. Ano yung katumbas ng 6 na buwan yun?
Pas po siya sa Ondoy and Yolanda.
Yeah, that's very significant, and that's why it became critical. So we did not discuss. Serbisyo muna bago politika. Marami pang kailangan gawin. Marami pa kaming kailangan gawin. So we will get to that. Aabot din tayo doon.